Hey, I'm Craig Heiser, and again with our Duragate here. But for you pet owners that have big dogs or jumpers, this is our TPX, known as our Tall Pet Extension. So this gate is about 30 inches off the ground. This will add another 8 inches to it, so you have a 38-inch gate. And in other, if you have a really serious jumper, you can add another one of these. So you can get 16 inches of height or 46 inches of height out of this gate if you so want. Very simple to install, just comes with a U-bolt, a machine screw, 3 lock nuts. So to put this gate on, it telescopes. So it accommodates whatever width the gate is. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this U-bolt on here just to kind of keep it from sliding around. And then I'll come back and I'll bolt it in a moment. Let's just do that. And then over here, there is a hole in the TPX. There's a hole in the extension and there's a hole in the gate. And you're just going to want to slide the machine screw through both of those. Now, we have the 3 lock nuts. The small one goes on the machine screw. That keeps the TPX over the latch in place. You'll need a wrench and a screwdriver. Of course, I have neither. And then over here, the U-bolt, 2 more lock nuts on the back side of it. One up top, one down below. Again, you'll want to use a wrench to tighten those and then they'll lock in place. So it'll look like this once it's all tight. And you can see that it's about 38 inches in height. And to open it, just like the Duragate video, you just push that pendulum out of the way, lift the latch up, and it'll open and close. These telescoping bars, you'll see that they rotate a little bit. Once you get this set and in place and where you like it, just use a wrench to tighten these, set these so they look parallel, and then just tighten those down. And then once you tighten that down, that locks all this in place too. And that's our Taupe Pet Extension for the Duragate. Thank you.